Hi everyone, it's Miss Kathy from Tuneful Teaching. Today I am sharing with you a brand new resource called My Color Book. It's available as a digital download at tunefulteaching.com. And I'm going to show you how I would use it with sign language so that you can use that as an option. So the title is My Color Book. The sun is yellow, a pumpkin is orange. When I look in the sky, the clouds are white. A plum is purple, an apple is red. Leaping in the grass, a frog is green. The ocean is blue, an acorn is brown. Rolling down the street, a tire is black. I know my colors, I see them everywhere. Inside and outside, with my eyes I stare. The end. And you may have noticed that I have bound the book on the bottom, which makes it really easy to flip through the pages. And in this case, I just use a 3-hole punch and some hinged rings. You could also use a comb binding, which would work great. So I hope that is a helpful resource for you, and I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks.